Welcome to the Large Grill Island Barbecue Construction Guide. To get started, you will need a rubber mallet, level, square, drill, grinder, and concrete saw. Keeping safety in mind, you will need ear protection, dust mask, eye protection, work gloves, and safety shoes. For materials, please note the required number of tandem face units in each size as modular blocks, universal connectors, and base blocks. The Elements Grill Island components include Elements Pro 32-inch built-in grill, double access doors, and 2 stainless steel vents. First, you'll need to prepare your base, which will vary depending on whether you're building on an existing patio, poured concrete, or a compacted base. For a compacted base, you will first need to run the gas line for the starter unit at the bottom of the excavated site prior to adding a compacted gravel base and bedding sand. To finish the foundation, lay a row of base block on top of the bedding sand. For optimal installation, use the provided installation plan for the first level. For better stability during assembly, use this installation sequence. Place your first block, then the face unit, followed by the second block. Continue by installing the third block, then a small face unit. You will need to use a partial block. Blocks can be split by using another block as support. Position the block to be split, aligning the V-grooves on the edge of the support block, and hit the tail of the block with a mallet. Plan for 21 split blocks. Continue installing according to the recommended sequence shown here. Sometimes it may be necessary to reverse the blocks according to the recommended installation plan. Continue installing according to the recommended sequence until the corner. Note that the corner face units must be installed in the correct direction, with the finished side facing outward. It is important to note that universal connectors must be used to create a second attachment point whenever one of the blocks does not connect directly to the face unit as shown here. Continue installing the next blocks and face units following the same optimal sequence. Do not forget to install the face unit at the corner in the correct direction and to use the universal connector when needed. To allow air circulation, you will need to use 2 partial blocks. This face unit will need to be cut to accommodate the stainless steel vent according to the dimensions indicated in the Elements Pro 32-inch built-in grill guide. Plan to cut 2 face units with the recommended dimensions. Finish installing the first row following the plan. Install the second row according to the installation plan. For this row, you must plan the opening to insert the double access doors. Note the difference in configuration to create the variation of the facade face units and to avoid vertical joint alignment. Start installation with the first 2 blocks and their face units, then the third full block. Prepare the block and the face unit that will accommodate the double access doors. Make the cut according to the dimensions indicated in the Elements Pro 32-inch built-in grill. Next, install the prepared face unit and proceed with the third cut block. Then, measure the distance for the upcoming blocks and face units, ensuring you leave the appropriate opening for the double access doors. Continue installing the third row according to the installation plan. Next, install the fourth row according to the installation plan. Continue installing the fifth row, following the same steps. You will need to cut a face unit to accommodate the stainless steel vent according to the dimensions indicated in the Elements Pro 32-inch built-in grill installation guide. Insert the double access doors as shown. After choosing your countertop materials, cut the materials to the required dimensions to accommodate the Elements grill. Then, gently place it on top of the blocks. When installing the built-in grill, always follow the manufacturer's recommended gas installation methods, adhere to local building codes and ordinances, and ensure all connections are made by a qualified professional to maintain safety and compliance. Place the Elements Pro 32-inch built-in grill in its location. This will complete your project. For a more rustic veneer, you can also apply this same installation method using tandem Ashlar face units, which feature a chiseled stone look. Now just fire up your grill and enjoy. For more information, be sure to check out the Tandem Idea Book and Installation Guide. And for more training information, visit belgard.com.